This is a 5-minute meditation focusing on the breath. Find a comfortable seat and find a disciplined awareness of your posture. Sit up in a dignified way. And even if you're lying down for this meditation, find a position that is comfortable, but also one that has some amount of intention to it. Draw awareness inward to the landscape of the body and simply pay attention to the rise and fall of the chest and the abdomen as you breathe. You'll become distracted. You'll start thinking about other things, and that's perfectly fine. But every time that you think about something external, something that you have to do soon or tomorrow, or something that you've been ruminating on, just gently remind yourself to once again focus on the sensation of breathing. Simply be aware of the breath and see if you can begin to sense unique qualities of the breath. On the inhale, a soft, cool sensation at the tip of the nose, breathing through the nose. And as the body heats the air up, the exhale through the nose is a bit warmer. A cool, vital inhalation and a soft, warm exhalation. Notice any other qualities you can about the breath. And once again, when you become distracted, very gently remind yourself that just for a short amount of time, instead of focusing on those things, you're going to be aware of the breath. Inhalation, slight effort, pushing against atmospheric pressure and the weight of the rib cage. And the exhalation can be completely effortless as those forces help to naturally just expel the air from the body. Notice your inhale. And with your full attention, notice your exhales as well. Just pay attention to the subtle qualities of the breath. Begin to draw awareness to the breath as you begin to deepen it. And start to notice your environment, your surroundings. cultivate present moment awareness. And as you deepen your breath, you can, if your eyes are closed, begin to open them and reorient yourself. And as you carry on throughout your day, see if you can maintain this sort of gentle awareness, this gentle connection with your breathing, with a part of you that is a little bit more quiet, a little bit more receptive. As always, I'd like to just wish you a sense of peace. In Sanskrit, the word for peace is shanti. So I wish you peace. Shanti.